find the limit if it exists. Limit of x plus delta x squared minus x squared over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So what you're going to do is you have a binomial square, you're going to use FOIL. So limit of x plus delta x squared, so that's going to be seen twice because anything to second power twice, minus x squared over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So first, inner delta x times x, outer x times positive delta x, last delta x times delta x, right? That's this part right here. And then the rest of it, minus x squared over delta x, right? And then as delta x approaches 0, so then now the limit, and combine your like terms, of the x squared plus x delta x plus x delta x plus delta x squared minus x squared. So right here, your like terms are in the middle, over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So to combine your like terms next step, the limit x squared plus, here it's actually imaginary 1x delta x plus 1x delta x. Altogether 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus x squared over delta x. So what do you have in common? Combine your like terms, there's negative x squared and positive x squared, so that cancels out as delta x approaches 0. So then go ahead and see what's left over. You've got 2x delta x plus delta x squared over delta x as delta x approaches 0. So what we're going to do is factor out delta x in the numerator, so we can cancel out with the delta x in the denominator. So delta x factor out. Delta x times what will give me 2x delta x with 2x. Delta x times what will give me delta x squared delta x. Delta x on the bottom. Anything similar in your numerator and denominator, it's delta x and delta x, they cancel out. You're left with 1 and 1. So it's going to be the limit of 1 times 2x plus delta x over 1 as delta x approaching 0. So then it's going to be the limit of 2x plus delta x, right, as delta x approaches 0. So go ahead and plug it in. Because whenever you're given a polynomial or binomial, just plug in whatever the delta x is approaching or the variable is approaching. Plugging in the 0, you're going to get 2 times 0, right, plus 0 is going to be 2 times 0 is 0, plus 0 is 0. So the limit of x plus delta x squared minus x squared over delta x as delta x approaches 0 is going to be 0.